Welcome back to Cali Resin and Stuff. Today I have a pretty large order to fill. Thanks for coming along to finish and package this order with me. First and foremost, I want to give my mom's therapist, Madeline, a huge shout out for blessing my small business. I really appreciate your support. Our first item is a set of tricolor dominoes inspired by Hello Kitty. We will paint the line purple and the dots white. Before we paint, I inspect each and every piece just to make sure that there are no sharp edges. I don't want anyone getting hurt. I sand and buff each and every piece. Many of the tools that I use are what nail technicians use. Now these babies are ready for paint, but first a little cleanup. The two supplies that I use most when crafting with or cleaning up resin are baby wipes and isopropyl alcohol. I think that's how you say it, isopropyl rubbing alcohol. So paint has dried up in the tip and nothing's coming out. I'm sure there's a way to clean it, but I just swapped the tip out. These needle tip squeeze bottles come in a pack of 12 for about $7 on Amazon. Our next item is the quote, Island Vibes, unquote, chessboard set. Let's demo the rest of these pieces and the chessboard. The Island Vibes design is one of my favorites. And look, I've even added her son's name to the back of the board. Finally, let's package the Cali Bear Gummy Bear earrings. There are 5 sets here. I've got my earring cards and my rubber stamp that reads Cali Bears. Here's a closer look. All Cali Bears come with a stainless steel hypoallergenic back as well as a rubber back. The Cali Bears in this order are orange, blueberry, kiwi green, and cherry. The 5th pair is a special request for pink and blue ombre. These dominoes are so fun to hold and behold. When I package the game pieces, I double check and even triple check to count and make sure that all pieces are accounted for. All domino sets come with a complimentary scorebook, pen, and storage bag. I also include a business card. I designed this myself on Vistaprint. I always like to add a personal touch with a handwritten thank you note. The purpose of this channel is to uplift and inspire. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!